Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Paula and this is my humble little corner of the internet, and here we do everything beauty, skincare, hair, makeup, hauls, reviews, you name it. So if this is the kind of video you like to watch, I invite you to subscribe and stay joined with the family. And I'd like to say thank you so much, American supporters. I love you guys, I appreciate you guys a bunch. Thank you for coming back and support me. So today's video, get excited, we're going to be trying a skincare tool that I absolutely love it. This is the Pelcas. I don't know, I'm not sure if that's how you pronounce the name. Pelcas mini dermaplating tool. This is a 2-in-1 because it's a facial hair removal and exfoliation tool. So this is the box of the tool right here. Going to be using the tool too, but before we start, I have the tool here out of the box because I already filmed the first part of the video using the tool. So that's what the little tool look like. Here we have the head of the microdermablation. This is the diamond tip. This is for like exfoliate the skin. It's actually really good. So, and here is how you remove the blade. You just pop here and come right out, so you can change heads. And in the back here you have the on and off button. So let me put this back in here so we can turn on and off. So, and it vibrates as you're using. You can go up 3 level. Alright, so let me turn it off. And this beauty is chargeable with a UPS charge cable. A UPS on one side and this cable in another. Alright, and in the box you come the diamond tips head attachment. This one here, you get 2 of them, so I have an extra one. And I'm going to put a little video using, you got the dermaplating blades. I'll show you guys the blades, what they look like. I do have one here out of the box. So, but on this set with the device, you get 2 diamond head attachment and 4 blades for the Dermaplane. Look like the blades, actually it's very nice, and let's have like a protection that's not going to cut your skin or nothing. This is actually a good blade. Little user manual here, or user guide that tell you how to use the device, how to change the head attachments. So, which is really cool. Alright, so this is everything that comes in the box. So I did the treatment today, this morning. I filmed the first part using the Dermaplane. So if you don't know what this is for, the blade head attachment, what you do is you actually like remove every little fuzzy peach hair that you have on your face, and there are like dead skin cells. You guys know, like every, I think 21 days our skin renew itself, so dead skin is sitting on top of the skin, girl, if you don't exfoliate that bitch. So what do is exfoliate your skin, and your makeup go on smoother. Look at the skin, girl, tell me if I'm not looking smoother. So our skin looks really nice, you know, shiny, cleaner. So great, this is great. If you have like a peach fuzz hair on your face, always do it. And if you don't have, you can still do dermaplating because it's actually good for remove, like I say, dead cells and any things that's sitting on your skin top layer. It's perfect. And this head, the diamond head attachment, it's great for give you extra exfoliation, so your skin can look smoother and nicer. So I'm going to have the Amazon store for the brand down in the description of this video if you guys decide to give them a try. Alright, and you let me know down in the comment below if you also do this to your face. You know, it's actually a good habit to have because your skin is going to look like a baby's butt. So yeah, loving the tool. If you have any question about the tool, please drop in the comment below and I will answer the best I can. But it's super light, super easy to use, fast charging, so love it. Thanks so much for watching. I love you guys. I'll see you guys later. Bye.